I'm Mike Wharton. I'm with YOUReality. Clearly what we're into is retail visualization. And what I'm going to talk about briefly today is the consumer experience. When I look at the room, I'm pretty sure that I'm just a little older than most of you, so I've got a lot of history in the consumer experience. So I'm going to share with you how we view that and how it works within the realm of the home furnishings industry. Obviously, our heritage is a marketing company, and so we got launched by answering a simple question, which was, what's it look like when you bring it home? How does it feel in my home? We looked at the opportunity. We saw this particular home furnishing industry. We knew that AR was out there. We saw the applications that existed, and we thought, through our founder, Michelle Fallon, that this might be a technology that could actually sort of change the dynamic of how you shop and how you make decisions about higher price point items in the consumer world. What I think is fairly interesting from my perspective is that what AR does for us and our customers is it creates unlimited showroom space. If you can imagine a large furniture company having the opportunity to show their products either seasonally or across the entire spectrum of their selling cycles, they are limited by brick and mortar. When they move to online, they get some expansion. However, that's limited based on their catalog. So what we were able to do, working with Total Immersion, is build what we call the virtual showrooms environment. This is, okay, the video thing happens when I'm one of these people that keeps clicking download and then it doesn't work. Do we hate or we do not?
It was launched for the express purpose
This will be a couple minutes, so bear with us.
in the home furnishing retail industry, specifically low sales conversion rates. By providing the consumer with an easy way to see products as they look in their own rooms, YOUReality boosts sales conversion by increasing consumer confidence that a product is right for them. Let's run some numbers. We'll assume a 6% industry average conversion rate between both online sales and in-store sales. Let's also assume that the retailer or manufacturer we're talking about did $1 billion of sales last year. If we move the needle just a little bit, increase that conversion rate by just 100%, that translates to a sales increase of $1.7 million. That's powerful. Similarly, consumers that can view products in their own space are more likely to be comfortable with their purchase, less likely to make returns, and are more satisfied with the retailer. Integrated into a manufacturer's website or in-store kiosk, our online retail visualizer makes it easy for a shopper to browse product catalogs where she has complete access to all products in 3D. No competition, unlimited showroom space. After choosing a product, she can click the View in 3D button, find a photo she took of her room on her camera or computer, and watch as the selected product goes into the photo in correct perspective and dimension in 3D. She can then move and rotate the realistic product model however she wants. She can try different textures, fabrics, and colors with the click of a mouse. She can then add more products to complete the look. It's easy to see how a room comes together with everything from furniture to electronics to artwork and accessories. The mobile retail visualizer is an extension of the online retail visualizer and allows manufacturers to push products to their consumers' pockets. The user takes a photo of her room with her mobile device, selects a product to put into the photo, and moves it into place, just like the online visualizer. She can add that product to a shopping cart, make the purchase right there on her device, and use the device's geolocation to find the nearest retailer to pick it up and get a special offer in the process. Couldn't be simpler. While interacting with products in the YOUReality application, the shopper may decide that she needs more help, or perhaps a little more customization. That's no problem. She just uses the dealer locator to find a YOUReality professional user nearby and receives the assistance she needs to make the purchase. Brick-and-mortar retailers will benefit from YOUReality through increased web presence and sales opportunities. Plus, with YOUReality Professional, they can easily create custom designs, show options, upgrades, and additional products. The tools and features in the Professional Visualizer give customers a realistic preview of their dream room and help retailers close the sale.
Okay, so why would anybody care? I mean, what we've tried to identify is what's the pain point. In our world, it's sales conversion rates. This slide talks about 6%, but that's across the online consumer marketplace. If you move up the price point level, that drops significantly. So what we're really aiming at is a fairly simple economic truth. If we can increase sales conversion rates, then we make AR and our products relevant. And at the end of the day, this ain't a social event, we're here to make money. Content is king in our world. The more content we have, we can drive it through more channels. In our world, it's all about developing content, repurposing it, and driving it through distribution channels. And in our model, we own the content. We built what we call a tiered user experience, and this is mostly to accommodate my inability to do anything technology-wise. But the point here is that every user may have a different need or a different requirement for their user experience. So it could be as simple as just pointing your mobile phone at a marker, to moving into the online visualizer and doing more decorating, or to actually designing a room. So we are very convinced that a tiered user experience is the way to go in the higher, more complex product market. Our founder came up with something, I don't know if this was one night when we were all out drinking, but it's highly likely, called brand cohabitation. I'm not really sure what that means, but essentially the opportunity for us goes beyond helping companies sell furniture. We are, with the use of Total Immersion's platform, able to take different pieces of furniture. For example, if you want to open your refrigerator, there's Coca-Cola cans in there, or as I stole all the P&G products, if you buy a piece of furniture, this is an opportunity it's beginning to get quite a bit of traction with some of the people that are interested in doing business with us. This is creating that emotional attachment to the product, and we think it's going to be fairly powerful. So what do? We care about retail visualization, sales conversion rates, and a strong consumer experience. We believe you're going to get one bite at the apple in our marketplace, but it's a significant marketplace and it has tremendous upside. The difficulty that we have, to be quite frank with you, is to make this user experience explode onto the screen for individuals. What's helping us a great deal are the different product applications out there. Our founder is very much into farm bill and believes that's the answer to everything. But when I look at what Gillette and P&G and some of the other products that are being pushed out to the marketplace, it's basically creating some training. We believe that within 24 months, if we do this right, people will use this as the only way they shop in the home furnishings industry, very much like in the auto industry. So hopefully we'll get the kind of support we need. We'll still be getting, great products and support out of the Total Immersion organization, who we'd like to thank for letting us join their organization. We're very excited about it, and thanks for your time.